Hey everyone, welcome to our channel today. We're diving into a super exciting project, creating our very own Mario using Meshy AI. And guess what? It's totally free, no modeling, no sculpting, and no more 3D software need. Let's jump right in. Alright, before we start, if you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Now, let's get started. First things first, head over to the Meshy AI website and sign up for a free account if you haven't already. Once you're in, you'll find a variety of AI tools at your disposal. For our Mario project, we'll be using text-to-image AI tool. I just give a small prompt to create Mario-like character. I have described in detail in my previous video how to work with Meshy AI. It will take some time and our model will be ready. You can see it created 4 different variants of Mario. Each one is different. I choose one, and now it will deduct my 10 points to further work. Now our Mario character is ready. You can download it and use in your game project. With Meshy AI's powerful tools, creating your favorite characters has never been easier. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If You did. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and share your own creations using Meshy AI. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.